All aboard! Well, hello and welcome to the latest edition of Shaky Hand Shed, where I will be doing a small restoration on the Hornby Tolgus Tin Company Holden 040. And here's what we're starting off with. It's a bit mucky, the bunker's broken off, some of the paint's been taken off ready for painting. Already I took it off the roof. It needs otherwise touching up. And I want to keep it as original, this one. So it's only a shortish video. Here we go, stripping it down, all the components off. Taking the pins out for the actual connecting rods. They just pull out to these little 040s. Just take care and pull them out. They do come out. And here I'm taking off. I'm only taking off the front set of wheels, because the gear's actually worn and it's actually not gripping either. Here we can see condition of the gear, I'll just show it here. It's proper goosed. Definitely seen its day. It's worn out and the middle isn't gripping, you can see better there. It's actually curved as well where the gear's meshed with it. And here, I'm stripping it down further, I'm taking out the contacts and I'm pushing off the gear wheel there. Oh no, sorry, there I've cleaned it up and I'm pushing on the gear wheel. That's the new one, the black one. And here I'm putting the pins back in, or I'm putting the first pin back in, I should say. On the second one I'll have to check the quartering, because you have to set them, I think it's 90 degrees apart. Anyway, here I'm just doing the wheels, wheel wire brush, in my Dremel, spinning them round and cleaning them, doing the inside surfaces where the contacts go as well. And there I've oiled it and made it a bit better, bit smoother, can push it along by hand. Here I'm cleaning off the copper contacts. I'm using a glass fibre pen. And at this point I'm reinstating the copper contacts, they just clip in. The two ends go through two squares, so they touch the rear of the wheels, and it clips down into the central part there. And the motor goes onto the two contacts. There's a terminal each side and you make sure they touch the two contacts, then put the clip in. It's a bit trickier than you think. And also making sure your gear meshes. And here we're just giving it a quick check. Put a little smear of grease on the gears first. And there we go, I've connected it up. And I'm cleaning the wheels off with meths after I've cleaned it up with wire brush. There we go. Still cleaning it with meths. except it's a bit easier in my hand than in that, because you can't put enough pressure in on because it's the flexible plastic. And here I'm putting the body back onto the chassis. And there, I started off with plastic glue, but it was no good really, so I used a bit of, well, it would have been if it were a bit tighter, but they weren't a tighter fit, so I used super glue. Just dabbed them in super glue and put them on. And here I'm touching up the green paint, giving it a quick touch up, found a decent match. Then all my paints. If I hadn't had a decent match, I'd have mixed some, because I have plenty of greens and I have white and black for lighting them, and other colours if they need other colours in, like yellow or blue, for making them lighter, darker, giving them more vibrance. Anyway, here we're just painting the roof where the paint had been taken off. And at this point I'm polishing the chimney cap. It's on a paint brush and I'm using my Dremel with silver water salt to polish the chimney cap up. Does a very nice job. A very, very, very nice job. Sparkly! Shiny! Here we're putting the chimney cap back on. First of all, we put a dab of super glue on, making sure we don't get it anywhere else. And then just drop the chimney cap on and push it on. Little Willy won't go home. And here we are, here's where we started. Needing a bit of paint touching up. I've repainted the dome gold as well. And touched up the green. And that's about it for painting really. Painted the roof back green, but here's where we finished up. Looking a lot better for itself. And another loco to the collection. And show you in a minute running. Here we go. And here she is, coming round the mountain. There we go, slow up and past. Looking good. And by itself. And here we go on a train. Anyway, thanks for watching, and tatty pie.